These guys are gonna hate me for spilling this secret, but fuck it. You ever wondered how people are making hundreds, if not thousands, while they sleep, but they never explained how to get started? Yep, it's called affiliate marketing. In today's video, I cover all the important assets you need to know and avoid the mistakes that 90% of affiliates make. Make sure to stick up till the end as I reveal the hidden secrets to start making money today. 1. What is affiliate marketing? So, let's start with the basics. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Think of it like being a middleman. 2. How does it actually work? And here's how it works, step by step. Step 1. Find a product to promote. You can promote anything, from physical products on Amazon to digital courses, software, or even services. Choose a niche or product you actually believe in. Step 2. Get your affiliate link. Once you sign up for an affiliate program, you'll get a special link to track sales that come from you. This is how you get credited when someone buys through your recommendation. Step 3. Promote it. Now, this is the key part. You need to get your link in front of people. You can use blogs, YouTube, social media, email lists, or even ads. Step 4. Earn commissions. When someone clicks on your link and buys, you get paid. Depending on the program, commissions can be a small percentage or a decent chunk of the sale, sometimes even recurring. 3. Why affiliate marketing is so powerful. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start making money online for a few reasons. Reason number 1, no product creation. You don't need to hustle to create a product. Someone else did the heavy lifting and you're just here to cash in. Reason number 2, low startup cost. You can start with just a laptop and internet connection. No inventory, no shipping costs. Reason number 3, scalable. The more traffic you drive, the more money you can make. Once you've got a system down, it can turn into passive income. And here's the best part. Once you start promoting, you can make sales around the clock, even while you're asleep. 4. Choosing the right affiliate program. Now, not all affiliate programs are created equal, so how do you pick the right one? Look for these 3 things. 1. High commissions. Some programs pay 1%, others pay 50%. Look for programs that offer high commissions or recurring payouts. 2. Trusted products. You want to promote products that people actually trust and want to buy. If you promote junk, it'll damage your reputation. 3. Good support. Some affiliate programs give you marketing materials, customer support, and tools to help you succeed. These are worth checking out. 5. How to get started with affiliate marketing. Here's a quick roadmap to get you started. Step 1. Pick a niche. What are you interested in? Tech, fitness, finance? Picking a niche helps you focus your efforts and attract the right audience. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. Search for affiliate programs in your niche or check platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Step 3. Build a platform. This can be a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram page, somewhere you can consistently share content and promote products. Step 4. Create valuable content. The more helpful and authentic you are, the more people will trust your recommendations and use your links. Step 5. Drive traffic. Use SEO, social media, or ads to get people to your content and through your affiliate links. 6. Common mistakes to avoid. A lot of beginners make mistakes that slow down their progress. Here are some to watch out for. Mistake number 1. Promoting too many products. Stick to a few products that you really believe in. It's better to be selective than to overwhelm your audience with options. Mistake number 2, not disclosing affiliate links. Always let your audience know you're using affiliate links. It's transparent, and in many countries, it's required by law. Mistake number 3, giving up too soon. Affiliate marketing takes time. You might not see results right away, but if you stick with it, it can really pay off. And finally, the secret to success in affiliate marketing. The secret to long-term success in affiliate marketing is building trust. When people trust you, they'll click on your links and make purchases. So focus on delivering value, being authentic, and putting your audience first. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistency and the right strategies, it can become a reliable income stream. And remember, the more you help people, the more you'll earn in the long run. And that's a wrap. Affiliate marketing made simple. The best time to start? Right now. Choose a niche, find the products, and start earning. Want to know exactly how I make $1,000 every week without selling, inventory, or a 9-to-5? Drop a comment and let me know. If this video helped, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tips and strategies to level up your income. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video that could seriously change your game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.